Hello children, today we are going to discuss about construction of quadrilaterals, some special parallelograms. Recap, identify types of quadrilaterals from these pictures. Observe this is okay, and another one is with this building. Okay. Here, number of quadrilaterals all are different, are same, different type of quadrilaterals. Here, white marbles. Here, another color, and another color, another color, another color. Okay, different type of quadrilaterals. These are parallelograms. A plane figure with two pairs of parallel opposite sides is called a parallelogram. Family of parallelogram: rhombus, rectangle, square. Rhombus, first one, rhombus. Here is rhombus. All sides are congruent: AB, BC, CD, and D. Opposite sides angles are congruent. The diagonals are perpendicular to bisect each other. The diagonals AC and BD perpendicular, here 90 degrees, this, and bisect each other. So here bisect each other. So AC bisects BD and BD bisects AC. Bisect means make two equal parts. Adjacent angles are supplementary. Adjacent angles are supplementary. So A and B angle. Angle A plus angle B equals to 180 degrees. A rhombus is a parallelogram whose diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Okay. Some real life rhombus. Observe this figure. This and also this one. Now rectangle. Here is rectangle. Opposite sides are parallel and congruent. Opposite sides are parallel and congruent. All angles are right angles. All angles are right angles. Here M angle, angle M, angle N, angle P, angle O. Opposite sides. Here PO equals to MN. Second pair MP is equals to NO. The diagonals are congruent and bisect each other. That means divide each other equally. So here PN equals to OM or MO and bisect each other. Opposite angles formed at the point where diagonals meet are congruent. Opposite angles. This one. This is also 90 degrees. This is also 90. So angles also equal. A rectangle is a special type of parallelogram whose angles are right. Right means 90 degrees. So 90 degrees. So a rectangle is a parallelogram, but special type of parallelogram whose angles are right angles. It means all angles are right angles. Now square. What is the difference between parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus and square? Observe this. This is square. So here all sides are equal like rhombus. All angles are equal 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees, like rectangle. But it is not a rectangle, it is not a rhombus. But square is a rhombus, but all rhombus are not a square because here properties of rhombus is here, but another and extra property of square is 90 degrees, all angles are equal. And another one, rectangle. Rectangle properties, opposite sides are equal and angles are 90 degrees. But another property is there, all sides are equal. So that is the difference. Rectangle and square and rhombus and square. Here all sides are congruent, opposite sides are parallel to each other, the diagonals are congruent, the diagonals are perpendicular to and bisect each other. A square is a special type of a parallelogram whose all angles and sides are equal. All sides are equal and all angles are equal. But rhombus, all sides are equal, but not all angles may not be 90 degrees. If in rhombus each angle 90 degrees, then it is a square. Also a parallelogram becomes a square when the diagonals are equal and right bisectors of each other. Here bisecting 90 degrees. Some real life squares. Okay, it's about different type of letters. Not letter, the parts having a letter. Cube, but one side or one face of a cube. Summary properties here. All sides are congruent in parallelogram. No. Rectangle, no. Rhombus, yes. Square also, yes. So rhombus and square have this property. All sides are congruent, like so on. Opposite sides are parallel and congruent. All parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, and square. All angles are congruent. Only rectangle and square. Opposite angles are congruent. All parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, square, all right. Diagonals are congruent. Only rectangle and square. Diagonals are perpendicular. Rhombus and square. Diagonals bisect each other. All quadrilaterals. Adjacent angles are supplementary. All quadrilaterals is correct. Okay. Thank you. Here is Srinivas, same as LPG Correct.